Thanks for tuning in to Solitude Acres. We are harvesting for the very first time potatoes. We have never grown them before. Our cousin from Favorite Acre Homestead, she shared in one of her potato harvest videos how easy it is to grow them, and she had such a wonderful harvest that we decided to try it ourselves. You can check her YouTube channel out at Favorite Acre Homestead down in the description below. We had a lot of smaller yellow potatoes, and then we also grew a few russet potatoes as well. The yellow potatoes definitely did really well. We were super excited, and it was just a fun thing to do as a family and to really dig in the dirt and see them. It was like a little treasure hunt, trying to find them all.
Just grab them.
That's a good one.
Yep.
Taters! It's taters!
Sam, we got taters.
So this is our potato harvest. Looks like we got some good ones for growing them for the first time. This is exciting. Is this the biggest one?
That's definitely 100%.
Yay! Need a bigger bowl.
So this year we really didn't grow very much in our gardens. I tried growing some spinach and carrots and turnips. It was my first time and they didn't really turn out quite as well as I had hoped. But thankfully my dad did grow some potatoes, and so we had a wonderful fall harvest of potatoes this year.
I don't know how many we're going to find down here. See one right here. Didn't even have to dig through.
Wow.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow. Look at that one.
Yeah, these are different kinds that I didn't buy. They were just ones we had
The
in.
ones we had inside. He took
You
the
started
eyes.
them?
Just
Cool.
In the end, we had about 3 bowls of potatoes, and we were really happy because they tasted good. Of course, these potatoes were great for mashing. We also enjoyed making one of our favorite things, which is air fried potatoes for breakfast. We hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.